Welcome, today I'll show you how to change icon shape into a Honor 50 Lite. First of all, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install and now click open. Now need to choose your application from the list. Maybe TFT game will be nice, so choose your application and then from the library choose your new icon. Maybe like this, like Android. Okay, and now in the top right corner we got OK button. Press it and wait a second for generating of new icon. And now click Add to Home Screen. And we got success message, so go to our home screen and here we got new icon of TFT game. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.